Welcome back to another episode of T&Z's Adventures. We're still in Athens in our semi-beach attire, getting ready to do my baby's favorite thing in the whole wide world, beach time. So we're gonna hit the beach. We're gonna grab a subway. I will take a video just so you can see what it looks like. And from there, we're going to the main square. We're supposed to catch a bus from there to head to Bolivar Beach Club. We haven't been on a bus yet, so we'll see what happens. So when you're getting on the subway here, there's like two directions. One, airport, and the other one, a word that starts with an N that I can't pronounce. So I'm gonna show you just the beginning of it, and then I gotta put a mask on. So this is the Keramikos, and you can either, all the signs will say airport, and then when you get downstairs you can choose which direction. So we'll show you. It's pretty easy to get around, so if you're not sure if you go towards the airport or go towards the other way, right before you get on the escalator to get onto the subway, there is this map right here. And that's kind of what we always double check. So today we are right here and we need to go up 2 stops to there. That is the city center, and we'll film when we get there. Another pretty cool thing is right up here, it tells you how long until the next train that you're going to take. So when the subway comes, we'll film, and just to show you the inside of it.
Σύνδεση με τραμ. Connection with tram. Αγαπητοί επιβάτες, παρακαλείστε να προσέχετε τα προσωπικά σας δεδομένα.
So here's a tip that we learned today after we tested this for this video, is we thought that going the airport direction, usually the train takes like 30, you have to wait 30 minutes, and so today we missed it by like 2 minutes. So we decided just to get on the next train going the same direction to see what would happen. It's fine, get on that one. So in order to exit, you also have to scan your thing, so let's go do that right now. Head up. So now we're at the main square, and we're gonna try to find the number or letter A2 bus to take us to the beach. But it's pretty cool. We just went to the information center, which is so cool that they have an information center right outside. Like, you just walk up and ask questions. And we asked her how to get on the A2 bus, so we're heading up there just in case you come. You can kind of see where it is. You go up these stairs over here, and then the bus stop's up there. The other cool thing is we found out that the same ticket that we used to get on the subway also covers our bus, so we didn't have to buy anything else. We have 2 5-day subway passes for 10 euros each. So here's goes for the bus. We're not gonna take the tram right now, but I want to at least show you what it looks like. So it's the above ground subway, and apparently you can take that straight from the square right to the beach. It like rides along the coastline, and outside of the bus stops there's coffee and snacks if you get hungry. What? I said right outside there's coffee and snacks, and that's the tram.
Oh, they have fun coffee stuff.
What is that?
That's below.
Oh, you want to go see it, don't you?
They have stuff. I mean,
you want it?
I don't know. Maybe.
Go.
We can take it to go.
Lead it. Lead the way. We'll film in
We
there.
need the mask. Oh. Sausage roll. Ham and cheese. Oh, sorry. There's someone behind. I don't know. I think we should have one spinach and one cheese. Or do you want sausage?
What'd you get?
Spinach.
Spinach?
Spinach pie.
Ooh, spinach pie. What's it called?
Pankopita.
Yeah, whatever that is. And then we got a sausage roll too. And what's the name of this one?
Oh, no.
Oh, whatever that says. I can't read what that says, but she seems pretty happy with the crumbs falling all over her mouth.
I was hungry.
So we found the Bolivar Beach Club. We're gonna do a little walkthrough and try to figure out how to get chairs because we didn't order them beforehand. So try to figure it out. All right, here you go. Lead the way, love. Hey, look.
Oh my god. My life is amazing.
You think we would have learned our lesson from Dubrovnik and brought water shoes, but we didn't. See how cold it is. Oh, it's cold. Not that bad. Huh? Not that bad, not that bad. Oh.
Little box. Not unpleasant.
It's not unpleasant.
Yeah, it's unpleasant.
Give me a review, babe. Hey, tell them what just happened. What happened, baby?
Oh my god, fish was like munching on my freaking heel on the skin.
It's like all of a sudden you're just standing.
I thought it was a rock just hitting me. I was like, what the hell? It's a fish.
Yeah. So the ground here is pretty darn rocky. Yeah, Dubrovnik is, those rocks are something else. But it's pretty cool. I mean, if you have kids, I guess you could walk all the way down there and put them on that jumpy thing. And then there's like kayaks you can rent and those pedal cars. So I guess you pedal the car out there, climb up, get on the slide, slide down and do it all over again.
Yeah,
That's pretty fun. And this place has waiters, so you don't have to go anywhere. They'll come right to your little cabana thing. So it was 17 euro for us to get the chair with the umbrella. And then how much did you get in? Do you remember? 8 each, maybe? Yeah, 7 or 8 each to get in. So, I mean, 30 bucks or 30 euro for this. I think it's a win. Yeah, it's a win. Yeah. And apparently at night they have parties and